Hello and welcome to my Udemy course. The title of the course is Learn Swift Programming by Solving Practice Questions. So my name is Muhammad Mubashir Hassan and I am a software engineer. These are the languages which I can understand: C hash, C++, Java, JavaScript, Swift, Ruby and Python. I have 8 years of teaching experience. So this course is all about learning the concepts of modern Swift programming by solving a lot of practice questions from basic to expert level. So in this course you will be provided with a lot of Swift practice questions. You will try to solve it and you will try to build up your problem solving skills, and at the end of the course you will master the technique to solve Swift programming challenges from basic to expert levels. If you are stuck on any of the challenge, no need to worry, we have lecture on each practice question where I will be explaining about the contents of the problem. Also I will provide the solution of the problem. We'll add new challenges now and then for more and more practice, so you can get benefit of this course for lifetime. Before signing up this course, you need basic knowledge of Swift language, basic knowledge of mathematics, and basic logical skills. As an example, if a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3, and let's suppose c is equal to a into b divided by 2 and d is equal to c plus 3, then what will be the final value of d? So c will be equal to a into b. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, divided by 2 is 9, and d is 9 plus 3 which is equal to 12. So d will be equal to 12. This kind of basic logical skills you require before signing up this course. Finally, is there any software requirement? The answer is no. Udemy has inbuilt IDE for Swift 5.0. There is no requirement of Xcode or Mac or any notebook to sign up this course. You just need to sign up and start practice. Thank you so much, and I'll see you there.